Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Vase here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple USB-C to headphone jack adapter. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the USB-C to headphone jack adapter. The first thing that you're going to have in mind that why does Apple make this adapter? Well, if you have an iPad like I have, so in their case you're going to see that some models of the iPad do not have the headphone jack anymore. Instead they have the Type-C port. So if you're a user like that, then you're definitely going to need one of these adapter, or you can buy a Type-C headphone, but it is not as much as versatile. So here is the small box which comes in $9 I think so from Apple. On the side nothing too much. On the back it's going to say the same thing, USB-C to headphone jack adapter in different languages. On the bottom it's going to have its model number. Here we have our pull tab. Just like that, the unboxing is done, and now we can actually get the adapter out. I think this is the most cutest adapter I have ever unboxed of Apple. Here you have some small little documentation of the adapter as well, and here we have the actual Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. As you can see, we have fully plastic build. The wire is flexible, however it is not braided, so I do not think that it's going to last long because it's going to bend a lot. Here you have your typical 3.5 and a Type-C port. The length is quite short as well, so for $9 it's a little bit expensive, but you know, Apple is Apple. So now for an audio test, I'm going to connect it with my iPad Air. You can see that the iPad here only has a Type-C port and not a headphone jack, so this is the ideal candidate for this adapter. On the other end, I'm going to connect my simple headphones. As you can see right here, all you need to do is to just simply plug the headphones into the adapter and no configuration is needed, and your iPad should detect it automatically. So now if I play any music from NCS, we should hear music from the headphones, but unfortunately you can see that the headphones are not working. What I have done is change the headphones because this one had 3 lines because it supports microphone. So I have used another headphone, as you can see right here, which has 2 lines and does not support microphone. And if I play now, you can see that the audio is now being played on the actual headphones. If I show you on the iPad, you can see that it has detected the headphones and now it's playing on the headphones using the 3.5mm adapter. So it's quite weird thing that some of the headphones will work on this adapter and some of them will not. So that's really bad, Apple. But yeah, here I have my MacBook Pro and I'm going to connect my headphones using the same Type-C adapter. I'm going to connect it to any Type-C port on my MacBook, and my MacBook actually is detecting this adapter. Here you can see if I go to sound settings, it actually has detected this adapter and it is working. So you can use it with your iPad as well as your MacBooks. Here I have an Android phone as well, because why not? So I have this S9 Plus right here, which has a Type-C port, but it also has an headphone jack. So if I connect the adapter again and play the music, it should technically work, and you can see that it has detected the adapter, which is Apple one, and it is working on Android phones as well. I'm not saying that it's going to work on all Android phones, but it is working for the S9 Plus. So yeah guys, this was the unboxing video of the Apple USB-C to headphone jack adapter. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.